In 2021, we finished the truly passive greenhouse. Zero electricity, no fans, heaters, or solar panels. At the bottom of the 2 thermal wells, we placed tracking thermometers. For the first 3 weeks, we recorded a rock-solid 46.2 degrees. We installed the thermosiphon pipes, and the temps started to rise. The temps peaked around mid-December at 48.5. Here is the amazing thing. Each December, the warmest temps at the bottom of the thermal wells would be a few tenths of a degree warmer. By December of 2024, we hit 49.6. And this year, we hit 50.0. Our annualized thermal inertia is working. Even better, it is accumulating. 10 years from now, it could be 54 degrees, maybe more with a few more optimizations.